Hi again. I've decided that there's no way that I can do this where you have to blow. I just don't have the air capacity. So I'm going to try and do a swipe, but I will modify the swipe and see if that works. I've done one of them or two of them, I think, and that worked out okay. I think I did it on a tile, and I want to try this on this little canvas just to see if I can. I got too much paint on it. Yeah, it spilled out. See if I can have better success in swiping it, which I think I should. So we'll see. And again, I'm working with this little 6x8, 5x8, I forget what it is. And I'm going to put a little bit of this sky blue down, and I didn't want to separate the colors. By separate. I forget what I meant by separate. I'm tired already today. I really, the light part in that last one was this warm silver. And it, you really couldn't see it. I was really disappointed in that last video. Green. Now, let's see, should I use that real dark? Yeah, I think so, because I have a white background. So we can use this Bordeaux color. And I'm going to put the warm silver. It needs something else. I don't know what it needs, but it needs something, maybe some copper, just a little bit of copper. Something to brighten it up. And here is the silver. Probably should have some yellow. I feel like yellow, and I do have some yellow over here. I don't know what yellow it is, but we'll get it. It's Primary Elements Sunburst. just a little bit. And let's see, I think I'll go down like that. So I can use this one here. I might do this a couple of times because I got a lot of paint here. One must wear it. See about that. You know, after you're working on a larger size, it's very hard to come down a smaller size. I don't see any of this warm silver, so I'm going to put some here because I want to see what this warm silver looks like. And this side here really isn't doing that much, so that's what we'll do. Yeah, there's that warm silver. So I have to have a lighter touch with my tool. And if you wanted to modify, you really can't push with your utensil. You have to pull, is what I see on a canvas when you want to modify with a skewer. No pushing, pulling. I like that bit of copper. Let's see if I can pull it through. Yep, I still like working on tiles with this instead of canvases. The warm silver almost looks like a taupe. It's interesting. So the turquoise and the copper together really makes a nice combination there. And for a fast little one, I really like it. So I'll have you a closer look by lifting it up to you, hoping that I don't drop it. You can see all those neat parts. It's very small, but it gives me an idea of what works for me and what doesn't. And anything with using lung power does not work with me, period. So I'm going to stick with this method and see if I can get some things that I really like. I probably will if I work at it. It's much more enjoyable for me than being frustrated trying to make air come out of somewhere where I don't have it. So thank you very much for watching this one. Always glad for your comments and thoughts about my work. And as I said before, have a wonderful rest of the week. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.